Topaz Gigapixel AI Overview, Topaz Gigapixel AI Tutorial. In this video, we're going to be talking about Topaz Gigapixel's AI, and we're going to be talking about how you can use this incredible software for yourself to do any of your AI generations, may it be upscaling, text to image, text to video, or whatever you want. Now, to use it, basically what you're going to do is you're going to need to come to Topaz Labs, go over to Gigapixel, and you're going to need to buy it. It's $100 software and it's made for your Windows and Apple designs. You can also use it in your Photoshop and Lightroom if you want to use it as an add-on. And obviously to do that, you are going to want to buy it for $99, okay? Moving on, the features that you can do in this are, first of all, image upscaling. So this is basically the downscaled or the unprocessed image, but then Giga used itself on it, and look at that, how much upscaled it actually becomes. Then you can move on to the further designs, like how it can make images much more sharper than they usually are. Then as you go down, they can make the images more real, make them more, touching to the audience, more attractive to the audience. You can also save it locally or in the Gigapixel Topaz cloud, and it gives you all new regenerative, recovering, and redefining models just like these. Look at how incredible this looks. So this is the original image, and this is what it has made it by redefining it. So as you can see, they said make it winter, and they turned it from this to this. So how incredible is that? That by just adding text inputs, you can make things so much better. So yeah, basically this is the main idea of Topaz Gigapixel's AI overview. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you people in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.